guys, it's currently 20 to 8 and we're stuck in traffic on our way to work. Really just crawling about 10 miles an hour. Real motivational killer. Yeah, we're meant to be there within 20 minutes, so I think we might be slightly late. It's just taking freaking forever. But that's London traffic for you guys. Yeah, you don't get anywhere very fast, ever. Oh, we've got our freezer installed to finish off. Yeah, it's just we've got the evaporator up and the suction pipe down and out. Can't remember if we got the liquid line done or not. But if not, then we'll get that done today. We'll get the drain in today, and then potentially the power cable. We also need to smash up the rest of the concrete so that we can get another foundation poured, ready for the condenser to get put down there, because it weighs so much. She'll get lifted with a forklift down there, and the forklift will just fall through the concrete slab. When I was smashing out last week, the size of the rat. So there's a rat that's like dug all underneath it and hollowed it all out. So it's like it's super hollow. You've got like that much concrete that you're walking over, and then there's like that much of just empty floor space underneath. And there's a giant rat, literally like the size of a French bulldog, that was living under there, that I trapped. I let him free, and oh my god, this guy was like, he was so fat that his little legs could just about like touch the floor and run away. Well, he could just carry himself. It was like, what the frick? Yeah. But yeah, we're pretty tired. Definitely need my monster. So we're gonna get that. We'll drive past the garage. The traffic. And it goes like that. It goes forward and backwards for miles. So very fun. So another not overly great day, because we got some penalty charges, 3 of them to be precise. One is £35, another one is £37.50, £37.50, and then £2.50. So not overly great. We're gonna try to get away with them, make a phone call, because you know I had an account that my card got frozen, so hence the reason why they're not been paid. Just for crossing the Dartford toll, but yeah, hopefully we get away with that, because I don't really fancy paying out. Right, let's make some mincemeat stew. Potatoes. Dice it into quarters. Scissors. Give them a wash. And throw them in. Next on the list we have my favourite cats. So we'll peel those. Next we chop off the ends. And then we cut these into circles. Then you cut all your carrots like that. And then we're just going to dump them straight in. Stop his leeks. Okay. Cut them off. And work our way up. I'm going to do about 2 leeks. I like to leave about that much on. I don't use that bit. I don't know if you're meant to use the full thing. I don't know. But I don't. And then we do have a little small one. And we do in there. Sharps, a bit smaller. Cut that like so. Peel the skin off. Like that. Like that. And then we'll cut either end. And then if you cut shorts properly, you should start crying like me. And then we're just going to dump them in the pot as well. Well up. We are going to get the frying pan and we're going to do our mincemeat. Because it's going to be mincemeat stew. Whilst the frying pan is heating up, we're going to boil some water. I'm going to fill that up and add the stock. Right on the max. Pop that in there. And then we're going to do that. Like so. This is the beef gravy part. Good look at that. Oh, that's one. 2 of those. I'm going to go for some salt and coarse ground pepper. Can't put too much of this in because Bells doesn't like it. Like that. So I'll put a little bit of this in at the moment, just to. Oh, shit. Just so everything starts to cook. Also put it in the beef, the minced meat. The next one, a little bit of stir. Then only vegetables with a sort of flavour. Give it a good old mix. Put some more. Definitely gonna need it. Don't want it too thick because the water will boil away anyway. But you still have flavours full. Should do the trick. And I think that's the meat's done, guys. Looks done to me. Yeah, that's pretty good. So we're just going to dump this all in. All the fat and everything. And there's extra flavour. And we'll come back once it's finished.